Hi, because many of you asked me how to add lyrics to a song, like this. Or how to change the cover for a song. You can see I've changed the cover for this song. I've decided to make a tutorial. First of all, you have to download Tag Scanner. With this program you can add lyrics and change the cover. You can find in the description below this video a link from where you can download Tag Scanner. Now I will add the song from my Dropbox account to my smartphone. Here I have the song. Just press more and then export. Save to SD card. Then export. Because I already have the song but the original one, without the lyrics or the cover, I will press overwrite. Now the song is downloaded. And now let's see if this worked. So let's go to music player. This is the stock music player. recently added, and you see, lose yourself, the picture of Eminem. And let's see the lyrics. Here are the lyrics. This is quite nice. You can remove the lyrics just by pressing the screen.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip.